everyone, welcome to Maths Friendly. In today's class, we will do question number 5 of exercise 3.5 from 6th class Maths NCERT book from chapter number 3, which is playing with numbers. Okay, so this is question number 5. Let us read this. Write the smallest 5-digit number and express it in the form of its prime factors. We will solve it same as the previous question, because in that question also we have to express the number in the form of its prime factor, but there the number was different and here we have a different number. We have to find the different number. We have to write the smallest 5-digit number and then we have to express that number in the form of its prime factors. Means we have to find the prime factorization of that smallest 5-digit number, and then we have to express that smallest 5-digit number in terms of its prime factors. So what we will do, we will first find the smallest 5-digit number. Okay, then we will move to the next step. So let us do the solution. So the smallest 5-digit number. In the previous chapters we have learned in detail about all these things, but here I will give you a quick revision. So the numbers are 1, 2, 3, like that. We have 9, 10, okay, 11, 12 and so on, like that. We go to 99, then we have 100, 101, okay, and so on. So these all numbers from 1 to 9 is a 1-digit number. It has only 1 digit in this, but after 9 we have a 2-digit number. See, 1 and 0, 1, 1. Okay, this is a 2-digit number. So after 9 we have 2-digit number. So after 9, this is the smallest 2-digit number because 11 is greater than 10. So this will be the smallest 2-digit number. Like that, up to 99 we have 2 digits. Okay, 12 has 2 digits, 1 and 2, 99 has 2 digits. So after 99, what we will have? We will have a 3-digit number. See, 100. So this is the, after 99 we have 3-digit number, 99 is a 2-digit number. So 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. The smallest 2-digit number is 10. The smallest 3-digit number is, see, the smallest 2-digit number is 10. The smallest 3-digit number is 100. So what is that? Smallest 3-digit number has 2 zeros. So smallest 5-digit number will have, see, smallest 3-digit number has 2 zeros. So smallest 5-digit number will have 4 zeros. Okay, then it becomes 5-digit. See, it has 5-digit, 1 and these 4 zeros. So this is the smallest 5-digit number. So this is smallest 2-digit number, smallest 3-digit number, and this is the smallest 5-digit number. Understood how we got smallest 5-digit number? So now what we will do, we will express this smallest 5-digit number in the form of its prime factors. See, the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000, right? Now what we have to do, we have to express this smallest 5-digit number in terms of its prime factors. So what we will do, we will first prime factorize this number. We will do the prime factorization of this number. Okay, so let us do the prime factorization. So how we do prime factorization? We write the number here and then we divide it by the prime numbers. Okay, here I will do the rough part, I will explain. So we have to divide this smallest 5-digit number by the prime numbers so that we can find the prime factors of this number. So what are the prime numbers? The prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. Okay, so for doing prime factorization of any number, we have to first divide it by the prime numbers. So we will check it with the smallest prime number. Is it divisible by 2? 2 is the smallest prime number. We will divide this number with 2. Is it exactly divisible by 2? Yes, it is exactly divisible by 2, because if we divide this number by 2, we will get the remainder 0. It means it is exactly divided by 2. So we will divide it. So what we do in this long division method, this is known as long division method. This method is to find the prime factorization of a number. So we will divide 10,000 by 2. Okay, so 2 5s are 10. We'll subtract it, we get 0. Now this 0 will come down. Okay, so 2 zeros are 0, remainder is 0. Again, we will take this 0 down, right? 2 zeros are 0. This will go. We will subtract this will be 0. Again, this 0 will come down, right? So 2 zeros are, see, this has come down, and again 2 zeros are 0. We will subtract it, we will get 0. Now the remainder is 0 and the quotient is 5000. So we will write the quotient here, 5000. Now we have to divide this number again by the prime numbers, lowest prime numbers. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. If we divide this number by 2, we will get the remainder 0. And what we will do, we will write the quotient here. So if we divide this number by 2, what will be the quotient? The quotient will be this one. You can divide and check. Okay, now again we have to divide this number by the smallest prime number. So what is the smallest prime number by which it can be divisible? Is it divisible by 2? Yes, this number is divisible by 2, because if we divide it by 2, we will get the remainder 0. It means it is exactly divided by 2. So we will divide it. Okay, so if we divide this number by 2, we get the quotient as this number. Now we will divide, again we will divide this number by the smallest prime number. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, it is divisible by 2, because the remainder will be 0. Okay, now this is the quotient. If we divide this number by 2, we get the quotient here and we will write it here. Now again we have to divide it by the smallest prime number. Will it be divisible by 2? No, it will not be divisible by 2, because if we divide this number by 2, we will get a remainder other than 0. Okay, so this number will not be exactly divided by 2. Is it divisible by 3? No, it is not divisible by 3, because if we divide it by 3, we will get a remainder. It means this number is not exactly divisible by 3. We will check it for 5. Yes, this number is divisible by 5. Okay, because the remainder will be 0 if we divide this number by 5. So we get the, if we divide this with this number, we get the quotient, this one. Now this will not be divided by 2, it will not be divided by 3 as well, it will again be divided by 5, exactly divided by 5. Okay, again this 25 will not be divided by 2, it will not be divided by 3, it will be divided by 5 times. Now this 5 will not be divided by 2, 3, it will be again divided by 5 1 times. Here we got 1 as a quotient, we will stop here. Okay, so we have prime factorized 10,000. Okay, the smallest, this is the smallest 5-digit number, and we have done the prime factorization of this number. Now we will express this number in the form of its prime factors. Okay, so I will show you how to write a number in form of its prime factors. Take a small number like 10. Okay, and do the prime factorization. Means you have to divide this number by the smallest prime number. So we will divide it by 2 5 times, right? Now can you divide it by 2 3? No, it will be divided by 5. So the prime, see, the prime numbers are 2 3 5 7 and so on. So we have to divide it by the prime factors. So we can divide this number by, it cannot be divided by 2 3, this 5 will be divided by 5, right? So we will divide 5 1 times. Now we have got the quotient 1. We will stop here. So 2 and 5 are the prime factors of 10, and how 10 will be expressed in the form of its prime factors? We have to multiply these two numbers, 2 and 5, 2 into 5. So this is the form where this number is expressed in the form of its prime factors. Same as what we do, see, we multiply these two numbers, the divisors. These numbers 2 and 5 are the divisors. With these numbers we divide these numbers. So this 10 will be expressed as in the form of its prime factors like this. We have to multiply. Okay, here 10,000, which is the smallest 5-digit number, will be expressed in terms of its prime factors like this. See, 10,000, the smallest 5-digit number will be expressed as in the form of its prime factors like this. We have to multiply all these numbers, then we will get 10,000, right? So I will show you how. See, 2 is how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to multiply 2 4 times like that, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times we have 5. So we will write 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Okay, so you can check whether the product of these numbers gives this or not. See, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, right? I will write it here. And this is 25, this is 5 5s are 25, okay, and again this is 5 5s are 25. So 16 and 25 into 25 is 625. So if you multiply these two numbers, you will get 10,000. You can check. See, 625. See, I'll do it here. 625 multiplied by 16 will give this one, 10,000. 16. See, what we got? We got 10,000 by multiplying these numbers. Okay, so this way we have written the smallest 5-digit number in the form of its prime factors. What we have done? We have written the smallest 5-digit number in the form of its prime factors like this. Understood? If you like my teaching, then please like the video and share it with your friends and relatives so that they can also be benefited, and also subscribe the channel. Okay, meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.